Hi, I'm Sean here with an Autel Tech Tip. Recently, we introduced the Ikey, our universal programmable smart key. Today, we're going to show you how to insert a battery into the basic style key. Okay, to start off, you have to depress the small black button on the bottom of the key underneath the buttons, and using your thumbnail, you want to pry off the metal end cap. Once you've done that, you want to rotate the key so the buttons are facing down. Next, you're going to use a small screwdriver, and you're going to place it here between the halves of the case and gently rock it back and forth, which will separate the key halves. Now, this is a best practice here. You want to make sure from this point on, you always have the buttons facing down, because gravity is the only thing holding the buttons in right now. If they fall out, it's not a disaster, but it saves you a lot of time if you don't have to deal with that. Next, you're going to take a standard CR-2032 battery. You're going to place it face down in the second half. Now, you're simply going to rejoin the two halves of the key, which, once aligned, will snap back together again. This will get easier the more keys that you program. Finally, you're going to take the metal end, snap it back on again. Now, you're ready to use your KM100 universal key generator to generate a key. For more information on the Ikey, the KM100, and our full family of products, be sure to visit us at autel.com.